Let's go see my sloth friends. Sometimes they're here. Oh, look who's over here. Look at my friend right there. Hi, my friend. Hi there. How are you doing over there? Are you Fiona or Remy? Are you Fiona or Remy? Oh, here, look. There's our friend. There's, what's his name from the movie?
Remy.
No, the Speedy.
Is that the girl or the boy? I'll be right here. Flash.
There's Flash. Look at him. Look at Flash.
Look.
There's Moon.
Look.
Hi, Moon.
Hi.
Look at that girl. Oh, Chloe wants some too. Oh, look at these guys. Now they're coming and being friendly. Oh, Moon, you want the attention, don't you? Huh? Look at that girl.
And look. He wants some attention too. Here. Look at him. Look at him.
Hi. You big shaggy wool.
Hi, girl.
There's Teddy giving me the eyeball. Look at Teddy.
Oh, he got her out of the way. He's saying, "Kid, where's my mailman?"
Oh, is that Philip down there?
Where?
Is he in there with the deer? Well, she's gonna go see him. He's down there. There's Joey. Here's Joey. Hi, Joe. Here's my boy. Look at that good boy. Joey. Here comes Philip. He's in his big old deer thing now. There's these guys. Somebody's duking. There's T-bone and ribeye. Here comes Philip. Philip. Philip.
He comes and then he leaves.
He'll come back. He's a good boy.
Maybe he's...
There's Philip.
AKA Holly.
Look at this girl. Look at Henrietta. Hi, Henrietta. Hi. Hi, girl. Gonna give me a kiss? Yeah? Let me peck you in the buttock. Come here. Oh, come on. Let me get you. Let me get you in the buttock. No? Oh, come here. Come over here and give me kisses. No? She's feisty today. Let's see if we can get Danny boy over here. Come here, Danny boy. Oh, Danny. Come on over here. You don't want Houston to get all the attention. There's my friend. Look at my little friend.
Your big
Here
friend.
he is. He's my big boy. Look at him. There's my boy. There comes Simon. Simon's got his girlfriend. This is Mackie. Hi, Simon. Mac is 47 years old. He's the oldest boy here.
And Simon's
He's the one they turned into a unicorn.
And Simon's got his...
Look at old Simon. Hi, Simon.
Simon's got his chick with him.
He does. Look at you guys.